Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick and easy tutorial on how to bridge assets between different Ethereum layer 2 chains using Owlto Finance. Now, this is a very simple bridge. All you have to do is go to owlto.finance and connect your Web3 wallet. Next, you're going to choose which network you're bridging from and which network you're bridging to. And these are the options. Owlto is currently compatible with all of these layer 2s on Ethereum, so there's lots of selection. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to bridge from Optimism to ZK Sync. But you can bridge between any of the different networks available here on the app. Now, once you choose the from and the to networks, you can choose the amount that you want to send. So let's say I want to send 0.05 ETH or about $10. I enter that in up here and it shows me how much I receive on the other end, which is 0.05. Now, when I hit send, it's going to pop up showing me the actual cost of this transaction. So there is a small fee, 0.00065 ETH, which is currently about $1.50 US. And obviously it's better if you're transferring larger amounts because that becomes a much smaller percentage of the total amount. But I'm going to go ahead and do this for the purposes of the tutorial. So the next step is that you simply hit confirm and send, and then it will pop up in your wallet asking you to confirm the transaction. You may have to pay some gas fees depending on which network you're using. Since I'm using Optimism right now, there's basically zero fee. It's less than 1 cent. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm the transaction. And then we just have to wait a couple of minutes for this to go through. And there we go. The bridge was completed. It took literally less than 60 seconds. And if I open up MetaMask now and go over to the ZK Sync network, I should be able to see that I received those assets. And yes, I did. So that is how you bridge assets using Owlto Finance. It's a great way to send your ETH between the different networks. And one thing I did forget to mention is that you don't just have to transfer ETH. You can also transfer USDC, USDT, and BNB, the Binance token, depending on which networks you're transferring to and from. So good luck out there. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you later.